I brought you again another recipe. This is chocolate bar. I made the brown chocolate and white chocolate. This is very easy. You can make it on your own. All you need to do is to follow the steps. Just as I always say, follow the steps, you will get it right. So here I made my chocolate bar. This is white chocolate bar. I will show you the steps of how you can get it right. Here I'm using my cocoa butter. This is natural cocoa butter, edible one. So I'll be doing double boiler to melt my cocoa butter. So remember not to use high heat, you have to use low heat. I'm adding my powdered sugar, which some people call it icing sugar, and I'm adding my powdered milk. So I'll be adding all my ingredients, the right measurement on my description for you to check it out. Here I'm adding my melted cocoa butter. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. Just as I told you, making your chocolate bar is so easy. It's better you make your own. At least you're sure of what is inside. Here I'm putting it on my mold. So feel free to use any mold of your choice. So I prefer to use this bar for my mold. So here I'm trying out the chocolate. You can see we're dry. So I'll show you how I made it. The same process, double boiler to melt the cocoa butter. And here I'm adding my powdered milk and cocoa powder. I will sift everything, and then I'll add my icing sugar or powdered sugar, and I'll sift all, and then mix everything to well combine. And I'll be adding my cocoa butter, and I'll be mixing all to well combine. You can see this is very easy recipe. You can make on your own. You can make your own chocolate. Hope you will get to try this recipe. I'm spreading it on my mold. All the same, you can use different mold of your choice. It depends on the shape of the chocolate you want to make. Here I'll be freezing it for 2 hours. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming by, watching my video and tagging along with me. As you can see, my chocolate is ready, well freezed, and it came out so well. Hope you will get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can do it on your own, and you can be sure of what you are putting inside your body. This is very easy. All you need is just few ingredients. So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Glatory Flavors and follow my page. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.